Hey everyone, this is Amy from Hidden Gems Drop. I'm super excited. We're almost to July 10th, and that's when we're going to officially open and start taking orders. I wanted to let you know that I'm going to do the first order on July 13th, so that gives everyone the whole weekend to put in their orders. Every customer gets 3-item exclusion. So if there's 3 things you do not want, just let me know. And if you have any sensitivities or allergies towards anything, let me know as well. Those don't count towards your 3 items. Today we're going to do a mock order for the treasure seeker, but let's talk about the launch bonus balls first. For each package that you order from, you get some extra free balls. All right, well, let's get started. We're going to start today on the treasure seeker. So that is going to be 6 pink balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for the launch bonus, you get 1 extra pink. And then you get 3 purple balls. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to get 1 extra purple ball for the launch bonus. And I wanted to let everyone know about this. I accidentally ordered the wrong size balls. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in there. But they have the, same prizes. I just have to wait for this size to come in. So 1, 2. Yeah, you get 2 gold balls. And that sounds like there's something special in there. All right, let's get started. And as you guys know, in the pink balls, if you get a matching set, you get another pink ball. Shower steamers. These are great. My aunt makes these. They're menthol. I love them when I have a cold and you just, you're sick. You just sit in the shower and you just let the hot water hit you and you get to breathe in that nice menthol smell. It just opens up your sinuses. I know it makes me feel better. Oh, we already got a match. And some scrunchies. Let's go ahead and grab your extra ball. I'm going to grab a white one, purple one, this pretty light blue one. Let's put these in here. We got a green gem and some essential oils. Today I'm just going to randomly grab, and we got lavender and frankincense. Yellow gem. And wax melts. Ooh, these smell amazing too. My aunt also makes these. Cocoa butter cashmere. Smell amazing. And we got, another match. Another pink ball. And some socks. We all need some comfy socks just to lounge around in at home. These are so soft. Purple. And a necklace. let's go where all the good stuff is. Oh, this one's so pretty. Oh, it's purple. Oh, this one's pretty too. They're all pretty. Let's see. Let's go with this one. It has some flowers on it. Super pretty. On to the next ball. Got another green. Oh, Kara's pick. Kara's not here right now. That's my daughter. She wanted to be involved in this. I'm going to go ahead and put it back and get another ball. But for, you know, the real launch and stuff, I'm going to make sure she's here for this. Set that one off to the side. Oh, we got a hidden gem and card holder. So if you get a hidden gem, that means you get a next ball up. And let's get you a card holder. These are super cute. Just hold all your cards, IDs. I mean, there's a lot of room in there. Stop sticking to me, tape. Oh, I'll just put it back in a second. Oh, I think that's, oh, 2 more pink balls. Another match. And we have more scrunchies, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back and grab a different ball. So if you let me know if you want a repeat item, I will definitely give you repeat items, but if you don't specify, I'm just going to go ahead and give you something else. But you got a mirror. These are super cute little rose mirrors. Just fit right in your purse. Another match. And bath bombs. Let's get you another ball. My aunt makes these too. It smells amazing. And a pink charm. So wow, you would have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 matches. And we got some hair clips. Let's get the yellow one, purple one. Let's get some little ones in here. Little yellow one and a brown one. Okay, that's all of the pink balls. Let's move on to purple. And we got a candle. Again, my aunt makes these. This whole room just smells amazing. I wish you guys could just be here and smell it. Which one am I gonna get you? This one is apple bourbon. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. A red, green, blue light. It's just a touch bedside lamp. It turns red, green, or blue. Just a nice little light to have next to you in bed. Phone charm. I'm gonna move my camera. Let's go with, I like this one. So pretty. Just a little phone charm. And the thing to have it attached to your phone is inside the bag. I'm sorry, I think you guys are a little skew. Canvas bag. Oh, they're so pretty. Let's get, these are really pretty. Just a little canvas bag. A long wallet. Oh, it's super soft. Just a cute little wallet. Put all your cards. Oh, there's even a little hand. Here, put your wristlet. You can put all your change in here. Cards, money. Super cute. All right, so for the purple, let's move on to gold. Oh my goodness. And you got a crystal headband. These are so pretty. Oh, this blue one's sparkling at me. Oh, I think we got another hidden gem in here. And we do. So that means another gold ball. Oops. And a boho straw purse. Super adorable. I love these. Also comes with a little cherry charm, first charm. They're just super cute. There is no inside pockets. But look how cute and pretty. And a crystal lamp, which I have up here. Let's go with, yeah, the star. Let's get the star, because you're the star. These are great. You just tap it. It has 3 settings. Oh, no charger. Everything's in the box. I guess that's everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll like and share with your friends. Let them know about Hidden Gems. And please remember, July 10th, we are officially open and taking orders. Have a great day, guys. Bye.